Hi everybody, welcome back. Jean here with more Mars anomalies. This time we're looking at a large solitary disk east of Darwin, and we'll be looking at some more relics towards the end of the video. The high-rise photograph we're analyzing is called Patterned Ground in South Noachis Terra, and I'll include the link to this page below. Acquired on the 12th of June 2007 at 25 centimeters per pixel. 1x1 binning was used there. This is a clip from the low-res JPEG, just to give you an idea of the terrain in which I've found this disk. Located in the mid-latitudes, southern hemisphere of Mars, 57.95 degrees south, 345.27 degrees east, and it's in this terrain that is called Noachis Terra, just to the east of Darwin, that circular depression over there. There it is at 1:1 scale, about 12 meters in diameter, and as usual it has a feature in the center. And a closer look reveals the battered up disc shape and then the semicircular protrusion in the center. So let's check this out in Google Earth Mars, down to the mid-latitudes, southern hemisphere, and it's to the east of Darwin, that circular depression there. There's the description NASA gives it, and there's a look at the disk, and we analyzed this high-rise photograph. Patterned ground in South Noachis Terra. In the next episode we'll be checking out anomalies I discovered close to this region, and I call it Lives Everywhere in Noachis Terra, and there's a close look at those. So next time on my channel, Glyphs Everywhere in Noachis Terra. There's the first object, we'll be checking that out, as well as that one over here, that one, and then down here to the left. So this is about 20 meters across, and on top of it we've got placement of knobs or protrusions. Down the center line we've got those two dark spots, and on either side those two similar knobs or features there, and in parallel with that center line we've got a row of smaller ones extending out towards the left, and it looks as if it's partially raised off the Martian surface. It's almost like a huge disk. There we've got a rectangular feature over there, and that there's about 15 meters across. In the center we've got that looks like a square part. Just next to it, through the center line, we've got that half a disc shape over there, and then placed on each side at an equal distance we've got those two parts. Then we're looking at this rectangular object over there, about 10 by 8 meters. Through the center line we've got that square part over there with a little dome-like feature on it, and then two darker spots on either side. Then down over here we've got multiple parts. We've got three, it looks like they broke apart, and that entire piece is about 25 meters across. These are some of the largest megalithic slabs that I'm showing you in this video. Could be that they were all connected to form that larger piece. Otherwise this larger part is lying on top of this smaller piece sticking out over here. Look at the round arc to this one side, and check out the shape of the larger picture over here. We've got two parts there in the center. Here to the right we've got these smaller objects aligned in a circular pattern around this one, and over here got a row of smaller parts there. Get these straight edges to this and right angles. We're looking at this huge piece over here, about 15 by 20 meters. Look at all the other objects with these little protrusions and knobs on them. There's so many. I probably will have to do a 2 or 3 parter of this. So check this out. Another one of these disc shaped objects. Got a part in the middle, and arranged around it in a circular pattern we've got the smaller parts or protrusions. That's it for this video, guys and girls. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it interesting. In the next one I'll be looking at more of these glyphs and patterns on larger pieces, so stay tuned for that one. Also note that I've deleted my Patreon account. There was no activity over there, so I deleted it. So I've just got the PayPal and my blog that are still running. Over at my blog you'll find all these images at 1:1 scale, so you can actually go and look at the anomalies for yourself without the picture-in-picture and the logo here. In the next video we'll be looking at more of these geometric patterns. Thanks again for watching. See you then, folks. Bye bye for now.